4 Evergreen presents the 10 most beautiful owls in the world. The birth of Athena and the Greek goddess of real world are some of the names used for the owls. They became a symbol of intelligence because it was thought that they can predict events. But despite their historic significance, they're some of the most beautiful fowls in the animal kingdom. So here are the 10 most beautiful owl types in the world. Eurasian Eagle Owl. The Eurasian eagle owls are also known as bubo or European eagle owls. They're one of the most widespread species of owls. Apparently, females can grow up to 29.52 inches while males are smaller. Generally, they're smaller than golden eagles and bigger than snowy owls. Their bulky size with vertical ears and orange eyes makes them a unique species of bird. Their feathers are light and strong, which shed off by time. The first shed starts after 1 year from the day they were born. They are categorized into Spanish eagle owl, Eastern eagle owl, Ahuronese eagle owl, and Western Siberian eagle owl. Spotted wood owl. The spotted wood owls are medium-sized with large round heads and dark eyes. Just like the Eurasian eagle owls, the spotted wood owl females are bigger in size than the males. They can grow up to 18 inches. They are mostly active during midnight as well as when returning to nest at dawn. They generally feed on rats, small birds, and large insects. Their nesting season is from January to August, and they breed in tree holes or open branches. They're mainly found in southern Burma, Thailand, and Cambodia. Great horned owl. The great horned owls are very big, strong owls with excrescent ears. They can grow up to 17.70 inches to 25 inches. And their activity begins at twilight, but in some areas they're also seen in the late afternoon and early morning. Their average lifetime is 29 to 38 years. They're quite aggressive in nature. Their breeding season is from January to February, and great horned owls are found throughout North America from the northern tree line, then in Central and South America. Snowy owl. The snowy owls are huge white owls, as the name suggests, with small ears. They're also known as Arctic owls and snow owls. They can grow up to 20 to 26.77 inches long. They are active during the daytime to midnight. Their reproduction season is from March to April, and their average lifetime in the woods is 9.5 years, while it's almost 35 years in custody. They mostly prefer hunting during the day and feed on shorebirds, ring-necked pheasants, and American coots. In North America, snowy owls breed in the western Aleutian, Prince Patrick, and other northern areas. Northern saw-whet owl. The northern saw-whet owls are very small owls with no ear tufts. They're also known as saw-whets. They can grow up to 6.69 to 8.62 inches. They are active during the late dusk. They mostly hunt during twilight and dawn and usually follow the sit and wait method of hunting. They feed on squirrels, moles, bats, and house mice. Small birds like sparrows and chickadees are sometimes also taken and included in their prey as well. The tamed owl can live approximately 10 years. They're mostly found in southern eastern Alaska, central British Columbia, including the Queen Charlotte Islands and central Manitoba. Oriental Bay Owl. The Oriental Bay Owls are small, weird-looking birds with small-sized wings. They're also known as Asian Bay Owls. They can grow up to 8.25 to 11.4 inches. They're active and busy in roosting during the day. They feed on small rodents such as rats and mice, bats, birds, and insects like beetles and grasshoppers. Breeding is mostly done during the month of March to May, and they're mostly seen in Nepal, Burma, and Thailand. East to South China, south through the Malay Peninsula to the Greater Sundas. Spectacled Owl. The spectacled owl size varies from medium to large, having round wings with no ear tufts. They have a dark face with white eyebrows and contrasting white streaking between their eyes and cheeks. They are generally unfriendly in nature, usually active during the beginning and after twilight. They can grow up to 16.9 to 20.47 inches. Like all other owls, spectacled owl females are also larger than their males. Spectacled owls eat small mammals, including mice and the occasional possum, insects, spiders, many caterpillars, bats, birds, up to the size of jays and frogs. Breeding season is during the mid of November to April. They're mostly found in Mexico, Central America, northern 2/3 of South America too. Barn owl. The barn owls are normal-sized owls with no ear tufts and heart-shaped faces. They're also known as monkey-faced owls, ghost owls, and church owls. The average length of a barn owl is 11.5 to 17 inches. They are active and seen during the daytime. Barn owls specialize in pocket gophers, shrews, mice, and rats. They can breed at any time of the year depending on the supply of food. They are found in almost all the parts of the world except Antarctica. Long-eared owl. The long-eared owls are medium-sized owls which, unlike barn owls, have prominent ear tufts. Their size ranges between 13.7 to 17.88 inches. They are seen during dusk like most other owls. They seem to be slim when they're roosting. Long-eared owls are widely distributed in North America, Eurasia, and Northern Africa. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out our other amazing videos on our channel and give us a like if you've enjoyed this video so far. Great Gray Owl. The great gray owls are huge gray owls, as the name suggests, with no ear tufts. They're most active at dusk, but also at night and just before dawn. Sometimes active during the day in the nesting season. They feed on small animals like rats, mice, shrews, squirrels, rabbits, chipmunks, moles, and weasels. Their breeding season starts in mid-winters. Their average lifetime is greater than all other owls and is about 40 years long. Great gray owls are found from Alaska across Canada, down by the northern Rocky Mountains and northern Minnesota. They are also found in northern Europe and Asia.